forgot to keep you guys updated. I am at Mike's house right now. We already cut all the 2x4s into 2x2s. They are stacked up in the garage right now. Got a couple of them laying around. Now we just pre-drilled for all of the 2x2s, and we went every 16 inches because he said that's going to be super sturdy. So listening to Mike. Then I went around and marked underneath where all of the holes are so we know where to drill. We're going to be drilling upwards into the wood with these screws. So the ones I got were incorrect. I don't know what these are called. They are this. But yeah, I previously got these 2 boxes over here, and sadly, actually happily, I will return them and get my money back. So yeah, now we're just going to drill in the framing, and yeah, I'll let you guys know when it's done. Update, we have the first piece of 2x2 going all along the bus, and now we're starting to do above the windows, and we're going to stop it right where the top of the window is. So this is where the 2x2 is going to be ending. Then right now Mike is just cutting a little indentation for this top area right here. That way it can still continue over downward to this other one here, because that's where the other 2x3 is going to be going. So after he makes this little indentation here, I'll have the 2x2 somewhere over here and then all the way down that way. And we're also trying to figure out what we're going to do with these emergency exit areas. He said I could put the 2x2 here, stop it, and then figure out something else there. But yeah, this is kind of annoying. I didn't think about this, but yeah, that's where we're at. Also, I nicked myself again from the stupid insulation tape. So I can't stress enough, be careful. It is foil tape, very thick foil tape, and like that will just cut you so instantly. It's very sharp, so careful. Alrighty, so we have the top part done and the bottom part. Now we have our cutouts for the in-betweens. We ended up going with this screw after all, the 2 3/4, and then we were using the 2 inchers over here, and that was fine, but then we noticed that it wasn't catching where we needed it to, so we went ahead and used the 2 3/4 for the rest of it, honestly. So yeah, I would recommend just getting the 2 3/4 because that worked out great. Oh. Said you want to be in it? Here's Mike, the best man in the entire world. Killed it. Looks so good. Everything is framed. Good morning, guys. As you can see, we're in another location. We are at the bus mechanic. Finally, my bus has been having some issues. It was not starting at all the other day. We tried charging the batteries and that didn't work. And then one of my friends went underneath and just hit it, like the starter, and started right up. So I believe it's an alternator issue, and I have an oil leak and a whole bunch of other stuff. He made a whole list for me, and he's just gonna keep the bus for I think 1 to 2 days and figure everything out for me. So that's awesome. So we're gonna say goodbye to my baby. I'm gonna miss her. But yeah, they're amazing here. He even called me a lift, so they'll be here shortly. And then I'm actually gonna be going out of town to see family, but I'll be out of the loop for like a couple days with the bus build. But I'm glad that at least the mechanic side is being done and she's gonna be taken care of. Yee, I'm so excited.